Peter Thornhill is famous for his dividend investing strategy. He has a portfolio worth $11 million, which brings in over $400,000 in dividends each year. So let's look at 7 steps inspired by Peter Thornhill that you can take to live off of dividends. If you're new to the channel and want to become a money-making machine, subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll never miss a video. Step number 1. Don't spend more money than you earn. If you're spending everything you earn, there's no chance of putting any money away for a rainy day, for retirement, or for investing in dividends. Step number 2. Borrow less money than you can afford. If you're hoping to strike it rich by taking on more debt than you can afford, you might want to reconsider your strategy. As anyone who's ever been in debt knows, it's not a very fun place to be. Making ends meet is hard enough when you're living within your means. But when you're trying to keep up with monthly payments on a loan or credit card balance that's larger than your bank account, it can feel like you're swimming upstream. Step number 3. Invest in a diversified group of dividend-paying shares. Though there's no guaranteed path to success, owning a diverse group of dividend-paying shares gives you the best chance at achieving your financial goals. When selecting which stocks to include in your portfolio, be sure to consider the company's dividend history and its current yield. You'll also want to look at the company's financial stability and its overall business model. Step number 4. Use the money you make from dividends to buy more shares. If you want to live off dividend investments, there's one key rule you must follow: reinvest your dividends. That's because over time, reinvesting your dividends can help you build up a significant amount of wealth. Here's how it works. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a stock that pays a dividend of 3%. If you reinvest that dividend, you'll immediately purchase additional shares of the stock. And when the stock price rises, you'll not only earn a capital gain on your original investment, but you'll also earn a dividend on your newly purchased shares. As a result, reinvesting your dividends can help you accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Step number 5. Build up your portfolio until you are making more from dividends than you are spending. Just like I mentioned in the last step, you have to keep on reinvesting your money into your portfolio. However, you can't just do this once. You have to do it over and over again so your dividends can bring in more money than your expenses. Step number 6. Live off your portfolio and retire. Now for the fun part. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor and watch the money roll in. But don't get too comfortable. It doesn't stop there. Step number 7. Don't waste your money. Even though you may be rolling in the money, don't make the mistake of thinking that you can waste it. Don't take the money you're receiving from dividends for granted. Be sure to not spend more than you're making, and make sure to build an emergency fund for a rainy day. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.